Alrighty, what's going on, folks? This is another food review. Comes from Panko, indicator Panko chicken. We got chickens and hot dogs. I think this one is going to be chicken, and this one is going to be hot dog. Let's get it open and see what it's looking like. Alrighty, that is the grilled chicken. Looks like we got some chicken on here. I'm opening it up, little cucumbers, little french fries. Then we got hot dog. You know, they have the little nice buy one, get one for free. So I got a hot dog. We're gonna try it out. And chicken sounds looking pretty good. All right, let's sit down and eat. All right, today we have a burger from let me see. WND Wing Factor. We tried a burger today. Not too bad. It's a little burger. Peppers and onion. What's going on, folks? We are here with another taste test. This is just something I'm trying to do on YouTube. Start tasting. This is from a little Greek spot. If it get better, we're gonna see what's going on. I just ordered some mini taco and women. They are mini. Wow. Let's look and see. I got 2 chicken and 2. Oh Lord. Look at the meat. Wow. It's not bad. This is the beef gyro. Not too bad. I got another 3. These are the mini ones. Not too bad. Not too bad. That's the chicken. And I got 1 more.